welcome to Winter Diaries. So in this vlog, the celebrations do not end. We still have a couple more birthdays, and also it just, for me at least, it may be the new physical year, but spiritually I'm still in 2025. I feel like the new year for me spiritually doesn't start until the springtime, because like it's the dead of winter, and I just feel that inside of me, and just like nature wise too. And I just believe in what, like, I feel like I lean more towards also like just like the Chinese New Year. Like, we're still in the year of the snake, and we're still shedding, and we're not in the year of the horse yet. So yeah. And also I kind of like that way of thinking too, because from December it's like back to back nonstop. My birthday, Christmas, New Year's. Also I have a couple family members' birthdays. My cousin and her husband, they're Sagittariuses as well. Went out to dinner in December. Like, December was lit, which, okay, let me backtrack. So in my last vlog, looking at it, I was just like, wait a minute, Christmas, December was lit. Like, it was fun. Why did I say it wasn't great? Oh, okay, let me be real with you guys. I got into an argument with my sister, and I think I was just in my feelings because it was like literally had just happened like the day or 2 days before I had filmed. But it's like, when do I not get into an argument with my sister? We're sisters, right? And we've made up already, so everything's good. But like, looking back, I'm like, whoa, I've been out. I've been having a ball. Like, friends, family, like lunches, brunches, dinners, like holidays. Like, it's been lit. And it hasn't stopped, because January, which we're here, is also lit. Like, it's my friend's birthday this upcoming weekend, and my son's birthday, and my mom's birthday. So my son and my mom share the same birthday. My son was born on my mom's birthday, and both birthdays are milestones. So my friend is turning 30. That's a big one. And my son is turning 10. So we're here shopping at the Grove. I need to get her gift. I already got like part of it somewhere else. And then I also want to find something for me. On my wish list, I have like a gray like cardigan or like pullover sweater. It just has to be in gray. Something a little bit more cozy. And then after all the celebrations, we're gonna get back to wellness and self-care. So that's what I'm looking forward to. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to shopping. I look crazy as hell. I'm so sorry, but I have a face mask on. I'm going to curl my hair because we are getting ready for my friend's birthday party, which is Sex and the City themed. I haven't curled my hair in like forever, and you know, to get into the mood, I have Sex and the City playing right now. So this is the before, and I'll show you guys my after. I cannot take myself seriously right now. Goodbye. Okay, you guys, so that just wraps up all the birthdays for January. I am so ready to get back to wellness. I've been eating a lot of junk, carbs, cake, lots of sugar, candy, drinking, and just not focusing on like health and wellness. So I'm about to make me a leek soup, just like a little small portion. And for the rest of this video, we're just gonna ease on back into like getting our walks in, exercising, or trying to implement like some at-home yoga Pilates, which is what I used to do back in 2020 when we all got sent home, and my body was looking real nice. So I've been meaning to like get back to that. So now that all the commotion is over, I'm able to now focus on my wellness, because yeah, I've gained a little weight and it just looks like 10 times more on the camera, but I mean, I don't care. I still feel like I look good. Like I'm not like overweight, I'm just, you know, like thick. But yeah, I want to get back to being skinty, you know what I mean? So yeah, we're just gonna get back into that.